Hi all. Yeah, we're out here in the garage. I just thought I'd like to see what it's like to get an estimate of the perspective from the driver's point of view. And I actually sit a little bit lower in the car, but I set the camera up so it would be exactly opposite of where I would be looking. So this is what I see when I'm driving a go-kart at 110 miles an hour. Yikes! Well, here's another position you might see a go-karter in quite frequently. It's called inspecting the motor. I thought I did everything right. Why don't it go? Wish I'd have known that then. Actually, this motor performed excellently. It was so strong, I got a staple caught in my belt and it shredded the belt. And then when I put a replacement belt on there, it unscrewed the driver nut. It was so strong. Fortunately, I was able to save the driver nut, but man, sometimes you got too much horsepower.